is the average lifespan of a ginkgo tree? My 150-year-old ginkgo just died, and I was always told they live for a while. This is Grant from Memphis, Tennessee.
Goodness.
Now, we know ginkgo trees are living fossils.
Yes.
I mean, thousands of years, possibly? Jason?
Very, very long-lived trees, yes. And of course, there's no way of knowing what's happened from the viewers. So yeah, they should live a long time, but there could have been all sorts of things that have caused the issue. And really, I think with trees, oftentimes we don't know what killed a tree. It's really difficult with a tree. So get another one in the ground soon.
And even though ginkgos, live a long time, everything has a date on it.
Yeah, it has
you
an
know
expiration
what I mean?
date.
Everything
doesn't it?
has expiration dates. So
It does. Wow, how about that?
That is a loss. Sorry about that.
I know.
It is, 150-year-old ginkgo
and
tree.
let's encourage people to come here and see our beautiful ginkgo specimen. We've got a gorgeous ginkgo here.
How old do you think it is?
It was planted in the 60s.
Wow, okay. How about that? So, yeah, good question, Mr. Grant. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, 150-year-old tree though.
Wow.
Man, that's pretty good. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.